going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com doing a review on this app Pogo, an app where you're going to get paid to just basically do a variety of things on here. Just basically hooking your debit card up, making purchases, and you're going to get points. You see here at the top I have 2,990 points. You can also scan receipts. So I'm going to scan a receipt right here just because I know after I scan this receipt, I'll be able to reach the minimum cash out, which is $3 here. So basically what I'll do, I'll click on scan right here and take a picture of this full receipt. Just making sure that I get the whole receipt in the picture and making sure the dates, the total, and the merchant can all be clearly seen. Once it's like that, I'll click the check mark, wait for it to load and credit me, which it'll be 10 points every time. So just like that, now I have 3,000 points, and 3,000 points on this app is equivalent to $3. So now I'll be able to cash out. So I'm going to go back to the home page right here. I'll click on the 3,000 and you see here I can cash out. Now the thing about cashing out with this app is they send you the money instantly to your PayPal, so you don't have to worry, about, or waiting for it. So I'll just enter my PayPal information right here. Then I'll confirm my PayPal. And, like I said, this is just, the receipt scanning portion. Like what you really make money with this app is really hooking your debit card up to it and making purchases. They're going to pay you for that. But after you put your information in, you confirm it, wait for it to transfer to your PayPal account. And then success right there, $3 has been sent to your PayPal. And after you cash out, they usually send you some kind of offer, whatever it is, an exclusive offer, whatever. You can just exit out. And here's the PayPal proof in my account, $3 right there. So you see here, it's legit. It does pay. The main thing with this app is, like I said, you hook your debit card up and it's going to pay you points for things that you purchase. Whether it's a bill, whether it's get something to eat, doesn't matter. Every single purchase you make with your debit card, you're going to get points for it. And then on here, you just claim the points. And from there, you can just basically cash out like I did here, in addition to taking pictures of receipts. So if you want to see a full tutorial on this app, I'll leave a link at the top so you can click on that and watch more of a tutorial on how it works with the points. But it's definitely free. You can download it on your iPhone, your Android, whatever it is. Start making money today. Click the link in the description. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies1000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.